WCCO is with the Minnesota National Guard in Norway to mark 50 years of our country's training together.
This week, the troops are dealing with the dangers of Norway's cold and mountainous terrain. Members of Norway's Home Guard are right by their side to help navigate deep snow, strong winds, and unpredictable precipitation at high altitudes. Reg Chapman and photojournalist Tom Villas were there to see how Minnesota's citizen soldiers handled the storm overnight.
Mother Nature's beauty turned ugly where Minnesota National Guard troops camped for the night. We are heading up the mountain on board this belt wagon to meet up with members of the Minnesota National Guard who spent the night there. We told it was a tough one for them. They had to weather a pretty rough storm. It was a wind event. Troops spent hours building up an ice wall around their tents for protection.
We use our shovels and just make a brick and build it up. If the wind isn't as high, you can have the wall at about 2/3 height they set around the tent. But with the winds last night and the way that they're coming in today, we built the walls up to almost the same height as the tent.
Major Katie Lunning is the officer in charge of this year's Norrex exchange.
The goal of the snow wall is to make sure that it's a windbreak to keep the canvas dry and to keep the wind blowing off you as much as possible.
She braved the storm right beside the troops she commands.
I definitely woke up and I could feel the tent swaying back and forth, but the Norwegians know what they're doing. So we have a stove going, we have really great wool gear to keep us warm, so even though you could hear it howling outside, we were comfortable.
The wind shook everything and brought with it temperatures below zero. Troops relied on the shelter of their tents for protection.
Start the stove as soon as you get in the tent, because that's your source of heat.
Captain Ellen McNair says Norwegian Home Guard troops stress the importance of safety when it comes to using the stove.
You turn this heat gauge up all the way. It's got 5 levels, up all the way to 5. You do a couple pumps of the fuel. The fuel is outside of the tent for safety purposes. And then you open this up.
Once the fire is inside the stove, it heats up fast. With 8 people in the tent, they take turns on fire watch. That means one person stands guard to put out the fire if it gets out of control. They also carry a knife to cut the sides open and get people out if needed to escape a burning tent. While some stay close to the protection of the tents, others head further up the mountain.
Digging a snow cave for emergency shelter in case the wind or the storm comes in.
These snow caves will provide shelter from snow, rain, or sleet, another layer of protection from an unpredictable storm. They'll hunker down inside until the weather allows them to move around. The snow cave, perfect size to enjoy rations and a bit of downtime with comrades.
Tomatoes and pasta.
Chicken and curry.
This is one of the last looks these troops will get at the beauty and the danger a Norwegian winter brings. The time has come to descend the mountain and return to garrison. They overcame their fears and successfully completed training, thanks to the Norwegian Home Guard's expertise at conquering the elements. In the Norwegian mountains with photojournalist Tom Villas, Reg Chapman, WCCO 4 News.